Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy English World. Today we have a very interesting story. Imagine this. A man has no money. He is in debt. And now he makes millions on YouTube. Yes, it sounds crazy, right? Today I am here with Daniel. Daniel studies psychology and social media behavior. And he also became successful on YouTube. Hello, Daniel.
Hello, Emma. I never imagined I would talk about my story on YouTube.
So, Daniel, be honest. Did you really have zero money before YouTube?
Yes, that is true. Sometimes my bank account looked very sad.
That sounds familiar for many people. So, when did everything change?
One day, one of my videos went viral. In 1 week, 1 million views.
1 million. Wow, that must feel amazing.
Yes. At first, I thought it was a mistake. I refreshed the page many times.
So, people were not only watching, they were learning something.
Exactly. People love stories. People love learning. And people love emotion. That is the secret of YouTube. But something very interesting happens when these three things come together. When a video tells a story, teaches something useful, and also makes people feel something, the brain becomes very interested. People do not want to stop watching. They want to know what happens next. As a psychology student, I started to understand that viral videos are not accidents. They are usually built around human curiosity and emotion. When I understood this idea, I stopped thinking like a normal creator. Instead, I started thinking like a psychologist. I asked myself questions like, what does the viewer feel in the first 10 seconds? Why would someone continue watching? What problem am I helping them solve? When you start thinking this way, your videos become very different.
That is very interesting, Daniel. And I think many people watching this video are creators. Or maybe they want to start a YouTube channel one day. So I want to ask you something important. When you started your channel, did you already know these psychological ideas about attention and curiosity? Or did you learn them slowly over time? Because many people think successful creators are lucky. They believe a video becomes viral because of chance. But when we listen to your explanation, it sounds more like a process of learning and experimentation. Can you tell us more about that journey?
Yes, of course. In the beginning, I did not know much. Just uploaded videos and hoped something good would happen. But the truth is that most of my first videos were not successful at all. Sometimes a video had only 50 views, sometimes even less. And at that moment, I realized something important. If I wanted to succeed on YouTube, I needed to study not only video editing or cameras. I needed to study people. So I started reading about psychology. I learned about attention, habits, motivation, and curiosity. I watched many successful YouTube channels and asked myself, why do people watch these videos until the end? Slowly, I started seeing patterns. Many viral videos start with a strong question. Some start with a surprising fact. Others start with a story that feels very personal. All of them create curiosity very quickly.
So you were almost like a scientist, observing what works and what does not work. And I imagine that process takes time. It is not something that happens in 1 week. Many people want success very fast, especially on social media. But your story sounds more like a long process of learning and improving. When did you start seeing real results on your channel?
That happened after many months of experimenting. At first, I focused too much on making perfect videos. So I wanted the lighting to be perfect. I wanted the editing to be perfect. But something surprising happened. The videos that performed best were not always the most perfect ones. They were the videos with the strongest ideas. This was a very important lesson for me. People care more about interesting ideas than perfect production. When a topic connects with people's problems or curiosity, they will watch even a simple video. That realization changed the way I worked.
I think that is a very powerful lesson for creators. Many beginners believe they need expensive equipment before they start a channel. But what you are saying is that the idea behind the video is even more important than the camera.
Exactly. A strong idea can travel very far on the internet. Think about it this way. Every day, millions of people open YouTube because they want to learn something new, solve a problem, or feel inspired. If your video connects with one of those needs, people will share it, and sharing is one of the most powerful forces on YouTube. When someone sends a video to a friend and says, "You should watch this," the video can grow very quickly. That is how many viral videos start.
That makes a lot of sense. And I think many viewers are curious about the moment when your life really changed. You said earlier that one of your videos reached 1 million views in a week. That must have been a very exciting moment. Can you tell us what happened during that time? What did you feel when you saw those numbers growing?
It was a very emotional moment for me. At first, I could not believe it. I remember opening YouTube Studio and seeing the view counter moving up every minute. Hundreds of people were watching the video at the same time. I refreshed the page many times because I thought there was an error, but it was real. People were commenting, sharing the video, and asking questions. For the first time, I realized that my ideas were reaching thousands of people around the world. And that feeling was incredible.
I can imagine when you create something and suddenly many people connect with it. It must feel very rewarding. But let me ask you another question from the psychology perspective. Why do you think people spend so much time watching YouTube? What makes this platform so attractive for the human brain?
That is a great question. From a psychological perspective, YouTube works because it combines several things that the brain naturally enjoys. First, humans love stories. For thousands of years, people learned through stories. Key even before books existed, stories were the way we shared knowledge. Second, people love learning new things. Our brain receives a small reward when we understand something new. And third, people enjoy emotions. When a video makes us laugh, think, or feel inspired, the experience becomes memorable. YouTube mixes these three elements perfectly. That is why people can watch videos for hours without realizing how much time has passed.
That explanation is very clear, and I think many viewers will recognize themselves in what you just said. Sometimes we open YouTube to watch one video, and suddenly 1 hour has passed.
Yes, that happens to many people. The platform is designed to show you more content that matches your interests. When a video connects with your curiosity, the algorithm shows you similar videos. From a psychological perspective, this creates a loop of curiosity and discovery. You want to keep learning more.
Daniel, before we finish this conversation, I want to ask one last important question. Many people watching today might feel discouraged. Maybe they started a channel and did not grow. Maybe they feel their videos are not good enough. What advice would you give to those creators who are still at the beginning of their journey?
My advice is simple, but very important. Do not focus only on views or money at the beginning. Focus on understanding your audience. Ask yourself what problems they have. Ask what questions they want answered. When your content helps people learn something useful or feel inspired, growth will come naturally. Also remember that every successful creator started with 0 subscribers. The beginning is always the hardest part. But if you continue learning, improving, and experimenting, amazing things can happen.
That is a wonderful message to end this conversation. Daniel, thank you for sharing your story and your knowledge about the psychology of YouTube.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you to everyone watching Easy English World. We really appreciate your time. If you want to keep improving your English, Make sure to watch our other videos on this channel. You can listen, learn new words, and practice your English every day. Thank you again for being here with us, and we hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.